In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can apply for a $10,000 grant. If this strikes as something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. You know, when I mention grants on this channel, I'm talking about free money that you are not paying back. Yeah, so if you're new here, go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you. I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys, thank you for your likes, thank you for your love, thank you for your shares. I see you guys and I appreciate every single one of you. So guys, while you're introducing yourselves in the comments, yes, I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? Let me know where you are watching from and what to do for a living. So besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you 3 different videos every single week. Yes, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on these juicy details. I spill all the tea and I really want you guys to win grants. And one thing I want you guys to note is, please go ahead and apply for this grant even if you think that you don't qualify. Like I said, this is a $10,000 grant. It is not a loan. You know, loans, you have to pay back with interest in all cases, not just in most cases, in all cases. But for grants, this is a $10,000 grant that you don't need to bother to pay back. If this is something you're interested in, oh yeah, G-Maso, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So come with me guys, let's go. Let's go.
Mariam Adepoju.
Now, are you looking for grants? Guess what? You are in the right place. Grants are actually a debt-free source of funding to help you launch and grow your business. iFundWomen is the sponsor of today's grant. And as a member of iFundWomen, you have access to a variety of grants, from their monthly pay-it-forward crowdfunding grants to those from corporate partners like Visa, Unilever, Diageo, Visa, Adidas, American Express, and so much more. These are their partners. iFundWomen is the go-to funding marketplace for women-owned businesses. Go ahead and apply for grants for female entrepreneurs and startup founders today. And just so you know, iFundWomen provides a platform for women-led businesses to access capital through online fundraising, access to small business grants, expert coaching, professional creative production, collaborative entrepreneur community, and access to industry connections critical to launching and growing business. iFundWomen is the go-to platform for women entrepreneurs, and they provide access to capital through crowdfunding, corporate grants, access to SBA loans, expert business coaching through the iFundWomen. At iFundWomen, they are less about talk and more about action. That's why since they launched, they've supported women entrepreneurs and they've raised over $400 million in early stage capital and created 87,000 jobs, fueling small business economy for women. Yes, so, and just so you know, Karen Khan is the founder and CEO of iFundWomen, the premier funding marketplace for women entrepreneurs. Please make sure that you don't miss any other grant opportunity by joining this family. Subscribe to this channel. If you have not liked this video, go ahead and like today's video. And like my video, do well to also share as well. Now guys, have you heard about the iFundWomen Universal Grant Application? They open the door to all the grant opportunities that come your way. They have successful partnerships with top-notch brands like Visa's, Carrer's, Johnny Walker, Botox Cosmetic, Comcast. They have been able to curate and deploy $170 million in grants to entrepreneurs. And by taking 10 minutes to apply, just 10 minutes, you can get access to priority funding, opportunities, invaluable resources, and a thriving iFundWomen community. It's free, yo. It is free to apply, and that's the good part. So besties, you're not paying any application fee. Go ahead and do it right now. Now, as they understand that, cash flow issues are one of the biggest headaches for business owners. For that good reason, they have financial strain, and it makes it harder for entrepreneurs to meet their payments, maintain positive credit scores, invest further into their businesses. And there's no magic wand when it comes to funding. Yeah, so business grants are the next best thing. So whether you're nurturing the seeds of a business or you're looking to expand into the new markets, grants can help you take your business to the next level. And the best part is you don't have to pay back 1 cent, and you don't have to wait till next month to boost your finances either, because there are exciting grants that are currently accepting applications at this time. All you need to do is head over to the link in my description and start to apply for these grants as quickly as possible. I mean, the odds against getting many grants can be long, so sometimes you might increase your chances in several ways. Here are some tips that can help you get grants. First thing is to establish your relationship with the grants providers, by applying. That's the first thing you need to do. I mean, there are people who have almost given up on their dreams or at the verge of giving up on their dreams. Maybe they've been trying to secure a bank loan or they've exhausted their personal funds. months, their entire savings, and they still cannot bring their projects to life. Please go ahead and explore grants. Grants are actually free money that you don't have to pay back, and you have nothing to lose. All you lose is the time that you spend in applying. But what is the time? Hello? For the money that you don't have to pay back. Because once you win these grants, that's it. Once you win the grant, you are not paying back. You get free money to help bring your business ideas to life. So first thing you need to do is to go ahead and apply for these grants. And the next thing you need to do is to establish a relationship with the funders by first applying and next by following up. Yes, except it's otherwise stipulated on their website. If they say do not reach out, don't try to follow up, otherwise your application will be rejected, then just hold it. You don't need to follow up with them. If you're successful with your grant application, they will definitely communicate to you via email. And if they reject you via email, it's okay. Sometimes you have to apply more than once to get accepted for a grant. And one thing you can do for sure is you can ask them why you were rejected in the first place. It's okay to ask them. They will not crucify you. Sometimes we think, oh, it's the question is too big. How can I ask that kind of question? Go ahead and ask. It's okay to ask why you were rejected. It might not be your fault. You may not have done anything wrong. It might just be due to the volume of application and because of the funding. Maybe they have limited amount of money. If they are giving out only $500,000 that period, and maybe 5 million people applied or 3 million people applied, you know what I mean? Or maybe 300,000 people applied, way more than they are budgeted for. That could be a reason, and it doesn't mean you have done anything wrong. You can always apply again. So go ahead and ask them. Send them an email. If you get a rejection letter, it's okay. Sometimes you have to apply multiple times before you are accepted for a grant. So ask them why your application was rejected. It's okay to ask them. Then try to apply again the next time. Now, one thing you guys should do is to have a journal. And I always preach, always have a journal where you write down the things, the grants that you've applied for. That's what I did when I got my very first grant. I had a journal, and that was it. I was intentional. I was intentional about grants, applying for grants that particular year, and I got my very first grant that same year. So get a journal, write down the grants that you've applied for, the names of the grants. Like today's grants is powered by iFundWomen. It's the universal application, right? So write it down. Okay, I've applied for the iFundWomen, and put the dates. Yes, so that you can follow up. So you know that, okay, I applied since January or since February. They have not called me. Why have they not called? You can reach out to them. If you don't get an email from them notifying you whether you have won the grant or not, then you can go ahead and email them as a follow-up technique or mechanism to get your grant. Now, another thing that you can do to actually secure these grants is to also apply for multiple grants. See, there is no crime in applying for so many grants. There is no one is gonna arrest you. It is not illegal. So you can go ahead and apply for multiple, and keep on applying for grants so that you stand a chance to win grants. Like I always say on my channel, don't just apply for one grant and cross your leg. You're not Beyonce. Hello. You have to apply for multiple grants. Yes, go ahead, keep applying, because one of them might click. One or multiple of them might click. Like I said, one of our subscribers on this channel won $58,000 grants just last year alone. If she can do it, trust me, you can do it. And I'm rooting for you guys. You know what time it is. As always, guys, I have done all the homework for you. All you need to do right now is to head over to the link in my description and start to apply for the grants as quickly as possible. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And just so you know, besties, if you need me to do a reset tailored to your specifications, please let me know. I am rooting for you, and I really want you guys to win grants right here on this channel. So please make sure that you like today's video, make sure that you share this video, tell a friend, introduce yourselves in the comment, join the family by subscribing to my channel. And just so you know, we have launched our blog. Yes, we have finally launched our blog, so go ahead and subscribe for updates, because I'll be sharing grants, like endless grants delivered to your inbox when you subscribe to my blog for updates. So yes, if you also want to book a free one-on-one consultation with me, you want to book a consultation with me, you can go ahead and join my Patreon community so that you can also talk to me one-on-one. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. And that's all about it I have for you guys in today's segment. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button, like today's video, on the world to share with your friends. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys, and bye for now. Love you. Bye, guys.
Mariam Adepaju.